You know, finding affordable childcare can be a challenge for parents everywhere.
A group of moms say it's a major problem in the city of Blair, but they're tired of just talking about it.
KETV News Watch 7's Quinicia Fraser shows us how they're taking the issue into their hands.
Ready, set, woo! Wow, speedy.
Mother of two, Riley Devney couldn't be happier
Woo!
to call Blair, Nebraska home.
I love the small town and just all that is here to offer.
But she sees a missing piece.
Childcare was not the sole reason I chose to stay home, but it was one of them.
Devney has struggled to find drop-in style options for her 2- and 4-year-old.
Good job. I am technically home full time, but I'm working from home. And so that can be really challenging when I don't have any options to drop off my kids so I can get, solid, uninterrupted work time done.
Another mom who lives in Blair and has struggled with childcare is Michaela Besh.
We have been faced with a lot of childcare issues since we moved to Blair back in 2020.
Those issues include finding an in-home spot only for it to close.
So we've had a loss of childcare twice in 3 years. Since we moved to Blair, which was really challenging.
According to Nebraska's Department of Health and Human Services, there are 23 licensed childcare providers in Blair. 2 are childcare centers. The rest are a mix of preschools and childcare homes.
They have wait lists or they have availability for one kid but not the other.
Devney and Besh are part of a group of mothers looking for solutions to the problem.
So I think it's really a community-wide issue, and the more voices that we have around the table, the better.
They've been getting together once a month to brainstorm how to make quality childcare more accessible in their town.
This is a community effort of ideas.
The meetings have gone to having 6 moms to 20. They've honed in on 3 ideas: creating a mentorship program for aspiring in-home daycare owners, improving the childcare that's already in Blair.
How can we keep those options at the top tier?
And getting more community leaders involved.
We've been working on trying to email people and call people and bring in people to our meetings that have influence in the community of Blair.
They want to see more moms and dads join the cause.
We have these grand ideas, but we need people involved that can really help us figure out what is practical and able to actually happen.
So more kids in Blair have safe spaces to be looked after. In Blair, Quinicia Fraser, KETV News Watch 7.